Look here. It's about 14 degrees here. I'm gonna start up this old 84 Nissan with the stock 2-barrel Hitatchi carburetor. Let the fuel pump prime. We'll pull the choke out and pump the gas twice. Just like that. Push the choke in a little bit. And we're in four-wheel drive. It was snow was about a foot deep the other day when we was driving around. But anyway, that's it. Now, it is the stock Hitatchi carburetor. It's been through about 4 motors. I've had it since I was 8 years old. The only thing I've done is I put a good fuel pump on it and a regulator. She never fails to start.